Let us understand the step-by-step process of how to compose a task in the To-Do Task module in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the Compose Task form under the To-Do Task Management module. This form allows users to create and manage project-related tasks. Select the project name from the drop-down for which the task is being created. If the task belongs to a sub-project, select it from the drop-down. Sub-projects are fetched from the Sub-Project Master in ERP Admin module. Enter the task name. The task name represents the activity that needs to be completed. Enter the target date for the task. This selection defines the deadline for completing the task. You can also set reminders for the selected task. These reminders can be one day before the target date, weekly reminders or daily reminder for long-duration tasks. Select the responsible person or group name who will complete the task. You can also assign the task to an external person if required. Select the task priority or weightage as applicable. Select whether the task depends on another task. If yes, then select the project name and task name. This means that the task will start after the dependent task is completed. Select the follow-up date if required. You can also add remarks or notes related to the task. Click the Save button to create the task. After saving, the task status will appear as sent. The task will be sent to the responsible person's inbox. The responsible person can perform the following actions. If the task cannot be completed on time, the user can request an extension. In this case, the user needs to select Yes in Request for Extension field and enter the number of required extension days. The concerned person will approve or reject the extension request. If there are no issues, the responsible person can click Accept. The task will then move to the next stage for tracking and completion. The process of composing a task in To-Do Task module is now complete.